Hi and welcome back to my channel. All you know that I pay more attention on my hair product, shampoo, conditioner, mask, some natural, some professional, but also I pay a lot of attention of my brushes, of my hair brushes. And in today's video I want to show you what brushes didn't work for my hair type, and if you have also hair like mine, you shouldn't buy it. I was buying for you and didn't work. So for who is new on my channel, I have fine hair, bleach hair. I have 2 sessions of bleaching my hair in the last year because I wanted to get this color and this that highlight. So my hair in the mid length is more drier, but on my scalp I noticed some greasiness, and in the winter time I have dry scalp. So in the past I was doing a video about hair brushes that I was using in that period. I will put the video in the description box below. But in meanwhile I was buying some other brushes that the internet claiming to be very good and to promote hair growing and healthy hair. So let's get started. First of all, this one appears in the last video too. I was using this bamboo brush by Olivia Garden. But I'm not so pleased. Some hairdressers said that it isn't good to brush your hair with a bamboo brush because you will put the oils on your scalp through your length, and you have to wash it often. So if we wash it often, we strip the color and also our hair will become drier. Other opinion said that it is good to try and to use a bamboo brush because you can get fuller hair and to promote hair growth, because you put the oils on your length and your hair become more shinier. For my personal opinion, and after I was trying this, for my hair is a no, because first of all it didn't detangle my hair very good. So my ends are dry enough, and I don't want to put more pressure on my ends to have more broken hair on my brush. And if I use it just on my roots to maintain my healthy scalp and to distribute my natural oils on my other hair, I notice that my hair become greasier often, and I have to wash it 3 times per week, and I only wash it 2 times per week. So for me is a no for my bamboo brush. Let's pass to another brush. This has very good, so this has very good reviews also by Erim, with her by Erim oil. With the oil I am pleased. I will put the video where I talk about the hair oil and what to not do on your scalp with oils in the description box below. But the hairbrush, it isn't suit me. It has this nylon bristle which are not flexible, and you see it sticks on my hair. I have to pull the brush and you already see some hair broke. This was broken now. I don't know if you see it. So I am not pleased with this brush. I was thinking, seeing Erim in her channel, YouTube channel, using this, and how soft and how manageable it is to brush your hair with this. I thinking, okay, let's go buy it, let's see. But it isn't good for my type of hair, fine hair. Dry ends, it isn't good. Wet brush suit me very well, but continue with wet brush. I have to change my wet brush because it is older, and I wash it once a week, but some period of time I decided to buy another one, and I was now not very sure what brush to buy it. Wet brush original, that black one, that one I was buying for my daughter, or the new one. The seller told me that all it is new on the type of plastic that they use. It is a recycled plastic, but the bristles are the same. I was seeing for wet brush also with this type of nylon bristle, but the seller told me that it is hard to wash it. That bristles are hard to wash it. So I was buying this, but same problem. It sticks on my hands, and it broke my hair, and I don't want split end on my also damaged ends. So for my type of hair, this is a disappointing brush. I will continue to buy it. My favorite from this period, Tangle Teezer. About this I was talking in the old video about brushes too, and I was switching between Tangle Teezer and the original wet brush. But you see how soft? Yes, it sticks a little bit off my ends, but not like other brushes. You see? I was not sure to continue with this one because it is plastic. I was thinking, so let's follow the trend. Let's buy it with bamboo, with natural bristle, which are helping more with your healthy hair. But for my type of hair, wasn't so good. So I will switch to my Tangle Teezer. Also, it is easier to wash it. This bristle of flexible plastic, this has longer one and a smaller one. It is very flexible, and I just put it in a bowl with water and some vinegar to clean it, preferably on Sunday with other hair care routine and hair care mask. You see how shiny and bouncy after I brush it with this one. With wet brush, the original one, I got the same result, but I was trying to switch between and to try some new brushes, and I was seeing some good reviews for this one too, so I decided to buy it. So for my type of hair and my condition of hair, this brush, it is better from all the brushes that I have. So if you have fine hair, colored hair with a mid-length, more damaged and not so healthy, like mine, I will recommend it, this one or the original wet brush. Not that one, not, no, this one. And this one, sometimes I can brush my hair easily, but I don't know what to say about my greasiness of the rest of the hair. I prefer oiling my mid-length if I want oil to have oil on my hair, not to use a brush to distribute the oil and all the greasiness and dirt I have on my scalp, because we go outside, it is pollution, it is not a very good environment, and also like we clean our skin in the evening, our scalp also has a lot of dirt, and we don't wash it every day because it will strip the natural oils of the hair. So hopefully you will find some useful information in my video. I like to make this kind of video to tell you my opinion about some kind of hair product, because hair is my specialty. I like to try some hair product, new hair product, and other hair stuff, more than skincare, like I say. And if you like this type of video, please comment in the section below to what video you want to see in the future, what type of hair product. Maybe you don't know many information, and if I was using, I could tell you more about that product. So hopefully you like this video. If you like and want to see more videos of mine, I post every Sunday. Please subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.